So here are the walls, all filled up. Clay slip. Took about a week. We have this kind of infill here, put on everything. We have a mesh around the inside of the windows here, and you can see it's actually taking all this clay slip. So it'll be made airproof by the plaster. So this wall is almost done. Here's Jeremy and Robert. You want to say hi, you guys?
Hey, what's up?
This is Jeremy.
Hello.
And so we're actually just adding in the last little bit to this wall. And we'll be almost done. Next is we start on this wall over here. And we're doing that slightly differently. We're going to pack that wall full of stuff instead of just loosely putting it in like we're doing on the outside, because we're primarily concerned with thermal mass on that wall. So until next time, this is Regis. Let me turn you over.